Hello everyone, good day. We are here to work on this laptop. Customer brought this laptop to us. As you can see, this laptop they use a sellotape to glue the battery. Battery is bad, and the fault that brought this laptop to us, they said when they turned the laptop on within 5 minutes, the laptop would trip off. So, what do you think may be the fault of this laptop? I don't know. Might be the bad RAM, it might be bad processor, or it might be overheating, or it might be the processor fan is not working, or the heatsink is bad. Yeah, many things comes to mind when it comes to laptop tripping off after few minutes usage. So what do you think may be the fault? Let's work together and see how we can resolve this fault. You know, they said, I don't really know. I don't really know. Let's see. Let's get all these things out. Let me get the hard drive out so that let's troubleshoot this laptop together so that we'll know what is the fault of this laptop. You know, the man that brought it to us said using it after some time, 5 minutes at most, the laptop will just trip off. There is a hard drive connector. Let's get all the screws. Let's see what is bad in this laptop. Or do you think that the ventilation, where the fan gets fresh air into the system, the laptop gets fresh air into the system is blocked? So let's see. What comes into my mind, it might be that the laptop is doing overheat. So I don't really know. This laptop is bit old. Just have to be careful when taking all these things out because this laptop is really fragile because it's old and all the casing is the case is quite old. So let's take the keyboard screw out so that the keyboard can be able to pull out. Be careful when working on such laptop. The keyboard is out. As you can see, the keyboard, so many keys on the keyboard has already pull out. So you just have to be careful when working on such laptop. This laptop is really old, but the owner still want to make use of it. Always remember to subscribe to my channel, share my video, like my video, and please drop your comments. I'll be so glad to reply your comments. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you can be able to receive it. You will be notified. That is the reason of turn on the notification button. Top case is out. Let's see what is the problem with this laptop. After 5 minutes, it tripped off on its own. So let's see. You can see the speaker cable is out. Let's take out the CD-ROM. Let's take out this motherboard. Let's see what is making the system to turn off. That is the speaker cable. This system, they have lost it several times, losing and fixing, losing and fixing. This is not the first time they have fixed this laptop before. When working on such laptop like this, just have to be careful because this plastic, this plastic is kind of one hard, it can just get break at any time. So you just have to apply carefulness to it. Let's take out this motherboard. Let's see what is wrong. What do you think is the problem of this laptop? Is it the processor or processor fan? Or there is a speaker. The speaker cut out of that place. So what do you think is the problem with this laptop? Processor fan, heatsink, or the vent is blocked? What do you think? Let's see. Let's check out together. Let's know what is the problem of this laptop. Laptop is so dusty. Uh, can you see it? Let's take this out. Look at dust everywhere. You can see the dust. Just have to brush it. Take off all this dust. Laptop is too dusty. The dust makes me to cough. You just have to try to make sure the laptop is clean. Now the laptop is clean. This place is broken. So when I want to assemble back the laptop, I have to glue that place so that the hinge will be working well. So back to the board. Let's see. You see the processor fan is filled up with dust. That means to tell you that the the heatsink is already blocked with dust. That is why the system is shutting down every 5 minutes, according to the owner that brought it here for repair. Pull out the processor fan, and there is a motherboard. And as you can see, the processor is dried because the vent is blocked. So let's lose out this processor fan and see what is inside the heatsink, what blocks the heatsink for fresh air not to come in and for the heat not to go out. So let's open the processor fan, peeling off the sellotape they use. So let's take out all the screws of the processor fan. Always remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and also drop your comments. I will be so glad to reply your comments. Let's see. Let's see what is going on here to know whether this vent is blocked or not. Peel it out and the thing is open. There's a dust. You can see there's a dust. So the vent is blocked. Just have to brush it out so that there will be an open vent. The heatsink will open. There will be ventilation in and out of air so that the system can be able to work normally in the normal temperature. The system will not do overheat. The temperature of the system will not above the normal. So I will also brush it and also brush the fan so that you can see the dust falling on the table. See the dust falling on the table. And the fan is cleaner, so just have to start, putting it back, assembling it. Let me see. And the system is on, but it's complaining about battery and the capacity of battery is low. Just want to know whether the system can be able to trip off in less than 5 minutes or 5 minutes. But I guess we resolve the problem of the system because the problem of the system is overheating because the vent is blocked. But just now we just clean up the vent, so I guess the problem of this laptop is being resolved. So let's see. And it's booting on. Okay, I guess the laptop has been fixed. So let's see whether it will trip off. The laptop is still booting on. But I'm really sure that this laptop is not going to turn off again on its own because the problem with this laptop before is the vent. And since the vent is blocked, the laptop is running above its normal temperature. That is why the laptop is turning down within every 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. But since the laptop, the processor fan has been cleaned, the heatsink has been cleaned, that means there is free flow of cool air and hot air, cool air coming into the laptop, while hot air going out of the laptop. That is how the laptop is being designed. So before now, the laptop, there is nowhere the hot air can go out, and there is nowhere the laptop can be able to bring in cool air to cool up the laptop. The cool air which we now generate into hot air and the same time bringing in cool air pushing out hot air out. So those places were blocked and there were no opportunity to bring in cool air and there were also no opportunity to push out the hot air. So which is the heat. So there is possibility that the system will shut down for the system for the motherboard to get spoiled or for the system to get burnt. It were designed to shut down automatically when the system is running above its normal temperature, which is the factory temperature. Yeah, because all these buttons, they're out. They're out. But though they are still working, according to the owner, though I have not tested, but he said they are still working without those buttons on top. So let's see, we are still test running it. Let's see. But I doubt this laptop will be trip off. These are RAMs, PC3 RAMs. Those of you who know it know what I'm showing you. So I'm just showing you this to well with time while we are still monitoring the system. You know, please always remember to share my video, drop your comment. I'll be so glad to reply you, and also turn on your notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be notified. And also subscribe to my channel. As you can see, the laptop is working normally. The problem of this laptop was overheating. And what do you think can cause overheating? One, the vents. If there's no fresh air coming in and hot air going out, the system will run above its normal temperature. And that is really bad. So we just resolve the issue by brushing out all the dust that build up inside the system to block all the vents. Now the whole vent is open. Whole vent is open. Now there is free flow of cool air and hot air going out, cool air coming in. That's how it is. You know, I would love to see you again. Always remember to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, drop your comments. I'll be so glad to thank you. See you in our next video.